our viewers, sorry, by the way, Susan Johnson here, how are you? One of our viewers said they wanted to see the setup and takedown of the kayak, so that's what this video is about, in case any of you are interested. The kayak has a series of numbers. There's 1, there's 2, that's upside down for you guys, but and then here is 3. Sorry, trust me, it's the number 3. And then there's 4. Where's the 4? Right here. And then 5 is the last, the boot. So I'm going to fill up with air in that number, in that order. Hole number 1, which is the bottom of the kayak. And it really doesn't take that long to push in the air. The pump comes with the kayak when you order it. And it's a self-sealing hole. Okay, that's good for 1.
Yeah.
Because we're not going to go in it, we don't have to make it like really absolutely tight, but
put the lid on or let it get soft. Oh no. Just push this in.
Yeah. And then number 2 is on this side. So you open the valve. This valve here.
Well, that's number 2.
Yeah. And you put the thing in. And then off you go. This is the side that after the first time we used it, we noticed a little pinhole. I think that's because we rolled it up on a wooden deck. Maybe something punctured it. So we fixed the hole and with some stuff called Goop, which I'll show you, and it worked. Here comes the nose up. Get your exercise, right, Stan?
Eh?
You get your exercise.
It's good for shoulders and arm muscles, which mine need a lot of work.
Mm-hmm. Right, that's number 2. Just pull it out, put the lid on. Again, it's self-sealing. Just pull. And then you put the lid on. We don't have to do that right now. And then you do number 3. Undo the cap. Oh, not the big one, just the one on the top. So there's 2. One is, what seals it. And of course, when you let it open it up, it'll pop and make a noise. This is the one here. It doesn't turn much. Just turn it off and there you go. Yeah. and then pump her up. We're like Noah in the Ark. We're putting up our kayak and nowhere to take it out. Not on the street. What, are you expecting rain? Yeah, flood. See how quickly it fills up? So those are your three main things: the bottom, the side, and this side. And they're numbered, so it's easy. Just follow the numbers.
So that shows it just what roughly
Exactly.
pressure.
And
it should be fairly firm.
And then you do number 4, which is the nose piece, and number 5, which is the tail piece, which we won't bother doing right now because this is demonstration purposes.
I just tell that's the front.
Yep.
That's the back of the
Yep. And then you will also blow up your seats, and they get put onto the Velcro pieces in there, and they're nice and secure. And then the side straps, they strap into these little buckles or whatever, not buckets. And it's quite comfortable, especially for the person in the front. Right, Stan?
Yeah.
Okay.
We'll take a picture of this.
Straight in the back exercise, 15 seconds every hour.
I think, Susie, we can move this. You can put it down the side.
No.
I can cut this grass.
No, we're going to undo it now and fold it up. Just pop the little, how do you release it? Hold on a second. Just a sec.
Turn this out.
Yep. It usually makes a popping noise when the air starts to pop out. See? It blew right at me. And then the other side. So you just reverse the order of what you've done. Yep, that's normal. And then the little guy, number 1 under there. Pull it up, which is the floor.
Do I take this top off it?
Yep. So when I'm letting the air out, or getting the air out, I lay it on its side in a certain way. So I pull this side over, and I overlap this side. And then because the valves are at this end, I just roll it forward. I don't actually roll. And then it squishes the air out. And it keeps it nice and compact for getting into the case. Still some air there. And then this one I just pull over this way. I roll it into the case. And that's it. Remove the grass. And then I just put the seats, the life jackets, the oars back into the package, and the pump, zip it up. We're all done. Cool, eh? All right, let's go to the... Here I am, worse for wear. It's a very warm day today, so it would have been a great day to go in the pond on the lake. Yesterday we walked over by Island Lake, and the water was like glass. Perfect day for kayaking, but we went hiking instead. Anyways, cheers. Keep yourself busy.
Thanks for watching. Coming up, more camping.